Hello everyone, welcome to our Easy Cooking, Easier Chinese program. Today, the dish is called 烤茄子, which means grilled aubergine. So, grilled aubergine, this is a popular barbecue dish in China, especially in Sichuan province. You can find this dish in every barbecue shop in Sichuan province. So it's quite delicious and it's popular among all ages. So the character today is 烤, which means grilled. Since this is really a popular barbecue dish, and normally they will grill the aubergine on this kind of equipment, but today we're going to use oven to do this dish. So first of all, talking about this Chinese character 烤 means bake, roast, grill, or cook. It means the movement to do something, bake bread and roast chicken, grilled potato, and cook dish. We can all use 烤. So let's look at the vocabulary. This is oven, right? So oven in Chinese, in Mandarin, is 烤箱. 烤箱 means oven. 烤, this character is what we're going to learn today. So take out your notebook and write it down. 烤箱, which means oven. So now let's look at the arranging of this Chinese character 烤. So look at this picture. So this part is fire, and the right part is an old man. See, it's an old man. So the picture indicates the way of cooking is like using fire, and always the thing which used fire will become dry, old, and withered. So this is the arranging of this Chinese character 烤, and then it has developed into this one and this one, 烤. So it's obvious when you cook something, when you 烤 something, there's always fire or heat, yeah. So let's look at this Chinese character. The order of writing this Chinese character. Get ready, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the order of writing this Chinese character 烤. So now take out your Chinese character book and try to follow the order to write this character once again. Then let's come to the more specific one. So try to write down the Chinese character on a notebook, on a character book. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, remember the left part means fire. And then let's continue. 5、6、7、8、9、10. So we have 10 strokes for this Chinese character. So if you have time, try to practice them more times. Now it's cooking time, but don't forget to practice the pronunciation and writing of the Chinese character. And then let's get started with cooking. First, ingredients and the seasonings we need for the dish. First is aubergine, spring onion, pepper, garlic, chili powder. All kinds of chili powder will be okay. And sesame, and salt, oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. First, we wash the aubergine and the vegetables, and then we cut this bit, the head of the aubergine. Then we can put them into the oven like this. Then we turn on 200 and we leave in the oven for 10 minutes. And during the 10 minutes we're going to make the sauce now. First, we need to peel the garlic. After peeling the garlic and the things, we need to cut them into really small pieces. Like this part. This part will be okay. So you do it one by one. Now we cut the pepper, cut them into the same shape of the garlic, into really small pieces. Next, we cut the spring onion. Now we put all of them into a bowl. So now after put this in the bowl, we're going to make the sauce. This is the garlic, the chili, and the spring onion. Now we need to add the chili powder. Any kind of chili powder will be fine. Just add at this side. And then we need the salt. Just a little bit. And then soy sauce. Then the oyster sauce. Yes. And sesame. Like this bit. and then a bit sugar. Now we need to heat a bit oil, then later we can put the hot oil on the top of the sauce. Then when it's ready, when you feel, put your hands on the top of the pan when you feel it's ready, it's really hot, and then you can get the sauce we made before and put the oil in the sauce. And then mix the sauce. After 10 minutes, we take it out and use a knife to cut it. Then we put the sauce we just made on the top of the aubergine. And then we put it back to the oven for 10 more minutes. It's the time now. We can take it out. So this is the barbecue aubergine. Enjoy! So this is the end of our cooking. So you can just follow Cece's step of cooking and then you can cook this dish. After that, don't forget to send your picture, the picture of your food, to our email, and then next week we would like to pick up the best winners to show you. So see you next week!